A recent leak of Samsung's next Galaxy Z Fold 7 is creating a lot of excitement since it provides us with a clear glimpse of its changing design and important features. If these rumors are accurate, the Z Fold May 7th be among the most elegant and high-end foldables we've seen so yet. The back design of the Galaxy's Fold 7 is seen in the recently released render. It also has a noteworthy shift, even though Samsung's iconic vertical triple camera configuration is still there. There is a new location for the LED flash. This apparently minor change might be a sign of a more significant camera improvement, with rumors suggesting a main sensor with 200 megapixels. Given the more constrained space and temperature that foldables often encounter, Samsung's decision to provide a foldable that degree of photography capability would be a daring advancement. In terms of design, the Fold 7 seems to be much more streamlined than its predecessor. It will only be 3.9 millimeters thick when unfurled, according to the leaked information. That's really slim for a gadget with a big foldable display and flagship-level technology. Samsung is obviously trying to improve mobility and appearance without sacrificing robustness. It is anticipated that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a specially designed high-performance CPU created in partnership with Qualcomm, would power the Galaxy Z Fold 7. 12 gigabytes of RAM is probably going to be included, guaranteeing seamless multitasking and excellent performance. It is anticipated that Samsung would keep the 4,400 mAh battery and 25-watt quick charging in spite of the slimmer design. Samsung may have discovered methods to increase interior space economy by redesigning thermal layouts or tightening component integration, as seen by the consistency in battery capacity. When Samsung hosts its second Galaxy Unpacked event of the year in July 2025, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to make its debut. Perhaps the most anticipated foldable device of 2025 will be the Fold 7. Therefore, it's evident that foldables are more than just a fad now that Samsung seems to be squeezing everything into the Galaxy Z Fold 7, from a potential 200MP camera to a lighter, sleeker design. They are developing into flagships that are prepared to take on the greatest of the best. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.